In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Riders Republic. So in order to log in into your Riders Republic, you need to actually log in using your Ubisoft account that you have connected to it. So first, you can head over to account.ubisoft.com/login, and from in there, you should be able to see the field for email address and password. And also make sure to keep this one checked. So in that way, you will be logged in when you're redirected to the Riders Republic game. Now, enter here your email address associated to your Riders Republic gaming account. And then from in there, enter in here as well your password. Once you have inputted those right here, just head over and click on login. Alternatively, you can also use social sign-in for options like Facebook, as well as Xbox, PlayStation, and Steam. If you cannot log in, you can click on this option right here and you might be able to reset your password or the email associated to your account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.